Why are Star Wars fans obsessing over this sustainable zip-up jacket? It's the Light Swords track jacket that perfectly captures that galactic aesthetic while being made from 95% recycled materials. The brushed fleece interior keeps you warm during outdoor adventures or convention marathons. Quality construction means premium zippers that won't let you down, plus zippered pockets for your phone and wallet. The unisex fit works for everyone, and the sci-fi inspired design makes you look like you stepped out of your favorite franchise. Ready to join the obsession? Do or do not. There is no try.